This is RK of My Safety Thoughts, presenting a video on yesterday, a reminder. Yesterday, someone believed the rules did not apply to him. Yesterday, someone took a shortcut in the maintenance procedure. Yesterday, someone believed his using a piece of faulty equipment would go unnoticed. Yesterday, someone failed to pass on a piece of critical information. Yesterday, for someone, time and mission pressure provided avenue to cut corners. Yesterday, someone's high level of experience made him complacent. Yesterday, someone worked around dangers without proper brief and unaware of dangers. Yesterday, someone was distracted in his routine and missed a critical step. Yesterday, someone's duty was extended beyond safe limit. Yesterday, someone's miscalculations went unnoticed. Yesterday, someone rushed to accomplish a mission. Yesterday, a critical weather brief did not reach the right people. Yesterday, the excitement of the moment fogged awareness of dangers. Yesterday, someone faced difficulties at home. Yesterday, for someone, fatigue was a factor. Yesterday, a father did not come home because of an error someone committed. Before you run, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your time in watching.